People, what did you do inside that phone and how did you even get there? Anyway, so right now I am editing the video for my main channel JigsawDead, and it is lots of work, you see, and it isn't even half of the whole footage that I filmed, because I was filming it for like 3 hours, and there is lots of footage because you cannot do a video with first try. You should make many tries, and there is lots of footage. I have about 30 videos, and every video about 5-7 minutes, so it's lots of work to do, and it isn't even harder to edit because my computer turns off every few minutes. It isn't even every 20 minutes like before. It turned off 20 minutes, then 20 minutes later again. Now it may turn off when it wants to, because it just turned off, and it turned off 5 minutes before, and before that 5 minutes 3 minutes before, and it turns off when it wants to. So it's really hard to edit because I should after each video I should save my project in Sony Vegas, because it will be lost. And I'm editing right now, and I think that video will be finished on Friday. Maybe on Friday I will post it on YouTube. So yeah. And by the way, today I woke up and saw that my hand is scratched. I don't know. Look at that. Can you see it? It's really strange because I don't even remember how it happened. Holy crap, guys, look at that rain. Can I just open it? It is the ice. I was just sitting. Wait. So I was just sitting near my computer watching YouTube videos, and then I heard this noise, and I looked at the window and I saw that, see, it is closed. And I saw that it is really dark outside, and I looked at the window and saw that it is raining really hard. You see, you can't see this rain, but I think you can see. If you can, that's good. And this ice, it isn't just rain. It is rain with ice. Oh, it stopped. Don't know what was that. Just a quick rain with ice. This was a little bit weird. The fuck is going on, guys? So I was just taking a shower, and look what is going on in my kitchen. Fuck, I cannot to swear. Look at that. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm really pissed off. Fuck, this thing, and not this, but this situation is familiar for me, because this summer my kitchen was like drowning. Everything was covered by water. My carpet, it was it was all wet. It weighed. I couldn't even take it because it was really heavy because of water, and I spent about 6 hours just cleaning all the water. But now my neighbors. And I don't really know what to do because it's really shitty. Look at that again.
Писавний бред, коротше, писавний бред. Подивився, що він тобі subscribe. Subscribe to Body the Man. Подивився.
This must be in ending of video, but didn't care.
I can't even vlog because it's too dark here.
Too dark and too drunk here. Guys, in this way. Why are you going to school number 1? Nope. Too dark to Mr. Steel.
What is the best food ever?
It's
Bread, white bread and mayo.
mayonnaise. Mayonnaise fucking rules.
Let's dance.
It's best.
Let's dance.
Cat. Another cat. Third cat. It's a balance.